So I was going to drive this truck from the Fraser Valley in southern British Columbia to Calgary, Alberta for some job training, but as I was testing it out, I realized that the exhaust manifolds were going to need to be replaced, and the right brake is dragging, the right front brake, so I don't feel comfortable driving it that far, and I'm just going to take my F-150, but in the meantime, I have all of this stuff to organize. Anyways, listen to this exhaust leak. Truck here used to be my grandfather's. He gave it to me when I was 18. Also, I just noticed that all of this paint peeled off of the side of this truck. Got the windshield strip in the old C20 square body, and that should mean that the windshield does not leak anymore. And then this truck didn't have any leaks, so it's just locked up. And yeah, the trailer's all locked up too, so I'm ready to hit the road here tomorrow to Banff National Park. But yeah, stay tuned because I've got projects coming for all of these. Well, it's a new day and I'm all ready to go from the lower mainland in southern BC to Banff, Alberta. All I got to do before I leave is fill up my jugs with some spring water and I'm hitting the road. I'm in Hope, BC, and I'm just about to drive the Coquihalla, also known as the highway through hell. I've got a GoPro up on the windshield there, and hopefully the footage turns out good. Alright, well that's the exciting part of the Coquihalla. I'm really glad that this GoPro didn't fly off the window. It was the maiden voyage of this suction cup mount. And it did good! It's snowing a little bit up here. Alright, well I've arrived at the Caribou Lodge in Banff. It looks pretty fancy. I'm gonna go check in. It looks like I don't fit in the underground parking. Alright. It is absolutely beautiful out for April 8th, and we've got an hour till sunset, so I want to run up that mountain there and see if I can get to the top. Oh, it said an hour and 40 minutes on the all trails, and I made it up here in 20, so I'd say that's a pretty good time. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, because I'm making more. All right, see you later.